from Eat Stretch Explore. Today I have a very large box to unbox for you. So let me flip it around to show you. This is quite large, and to address the elephant in the room, I have not opened it myself. This is how it came through the shipping process. It was already opened, so I'm not actually going to say that it's the shipping partner's fault. I do believe that this tape is just not very strong, if I'm being honest, because I don't know if you saw my add-on market unboxing video, but I did put a note there that I noticed as I was editing that the tape was actually torn on the sides, and that was something I noticed on the first box that I never published on this channel. It had like the pair of blue light glasses in it, and that was like, the tape on there was very easy for me to open. Like, even with my little weak fingers, I was able to just tear it open without scissors or anything like that. So I do believe that maybe this tape is just not the best in terms of strength, because you know how like when you have shipping tape, it usually has like a string through it, so it's like reinforced. This one is just like legitimately just like paper. I don't know if I can show it to you here. I'll rip off a little piece here just to show you that I'm not crazy. So it's just like literally I just tore it like with paper with my fingers. It's like sticky, but it's like the adhesive from an envelope. So it's just basically like I licked an envelope and then tried to like think that that was going to hold together an entire box. So that's my 2 cents. That is what my gut feeling is telling me. I don't think it's on the shipping partner. I think it's on this tape. So I did actually reach out to CAUSEBOX to let them know that I believe the tape isn't quite strong enough, and to just recommend that maybe they want to add additional tape or maybe change out the tape, because the housekeeping things that I wanted to tell you about are actually that this week we'll have a lot of CAUSEBOX posts. So FYI, they are going to start releasing the spoilers this week. So today is Sunday. I think I'm going to post this video on Wednesday. So they will start posting the spoilers for the winter box starting tomorrow, which is Monday. And then as an FYI, they will also be opening the add-on market for winter on the Friday. So I will probably have a few videos out for CAUSEBOX this week just because of the schedule of events. So I'm thinking about doing a walkthrough of what's available in the add-on market, as I mentioned previously, on Friday. And then also I think I might do some spoiler videos. But leave a comment below if you kind of think those are more useful for you as they come out, or if it's better if I just do a full spoiler video. I found out that actually I think those do pretty well. I think people are very curious like me, so it's good to know that I'm not the only one who likes to be a little bit in the know about what might be coming in my box. So I have a couple of other unrelated like housekeeping things. So again, plugging my Instagram, follow me at Eat Stretch Explore. I'm very close to 3,000 followers over there. The other thing I wanted to announce is I have a couple of very fun videos planned. So I'm trying to get back to my roots, and I'm going to be doing a taste test for snacks. So that's like my one true love, is I love snacks. So I've never done it on camera before to know if it sounds too gross. So if it sounds too gross, sorry, it might not be up, but maybe I might post it to see how other people recommend that I fix it. And then I'm also going to be doing a large haul video. So no, it's not me just buying stuff for myself. It's actually going to be a donation. I contacted an organization in my area that's doing a lot of great work, just because, especially this year, I want to give back to like the community, just because it's been tough for everyone, but I know it's been tough particularly for this group of people. So I'm going to be making a large donation to support women and children who are escaping dangerous domestic situations. So the organization that I'm going to be donating to provides emergency shelter, also some more long-term shelter, and then also a transitional housing sort of program to help the women and children get back on their feet. So I'm going to probably be doing that haul video in a couple weeks. I'm planning on doing some Black Friday shopping for that. Definitely online, no worry about social distancing. It'll just be me refreshing my screen on my computer, because I am trying to get some linens and bath towels, that sort of thing, because it is on their high needs list. And also like Kohl's and Macy's, and I think JCPenney are having great sales on that, especially on Black Friday. You get like an additional like 30% off, so then I can make my dollar stretch farther. So that's coming up, and without further ado, let me just open up this box, and I don't have to cut it open because thankfully the process and the tape situation is already did that for me. So let me just open it up, and I hope that everything is in here. So this is like a huge bag. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. So I mean, obviously they had some issues with the tape in general, as you can see here. There's like, they already obviously had issues with the tape. That's all I gotta say. Because also like the ends weren't taped at all either. It was just like literally wrapped around the bottom part of the box, which actually, yeah, so it was just like literally the two sides of the box were just taped once. So I mean, maybe I'm just paranoid, but whenever I ship anything anywhere, I make sure like I doubly, triply tape everything. But that's just because I don't want anything to be lost. So this is what it looks like in here. So it does look like maybe everything's in here. So it is the Parker Clay Merkato Tote, as I mentioned. So you can see here. I'm going to set it down. It's really too unwieldy. So this is what it looks like, and it does look like it came okay. I don't see a packing label in there, but it did come in a nice what's it called, dust bag. So that was nice to see. So again, the reason why I wanted to mention this now is because, as I mentioned, the add-on market is opening on Black Friday, so I believe that it might be in there as well, because it does tend to show up in the markets. So let me pull it out. So it says, pursue the potential. Since 2010, Ethiopia has been one of the fastest growing economies in the world and the fastest growing economy in Africa. At Parker Clay, we are proud to make 100% of our products in Ethiopia with premium Ethiopian leather, allowing the potential to thrive. So here it says, together we are ending prostitution in Ethiopia. While progress is evident in Ethiopia, problems still exist. It's currently estimated that over 150,000 women are in prostitution in the capital of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. We believe empowering women with a livelihood and professional skills is a vital solution to the problem. So it gives a little bit more information here about the company. I'm sorry I'm going into this, but I'm sure you just want to see the bag, but I just wanted to let you know that this is a really great company to order from. So we currently have 130 employees in our factory in Ethiopia. By the end of 2020, our goal is to hire 100 more women, with the majority coming from our partner, Elita Women at Risk. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Fighting to bring more women out of prostitution. So it says 130 plus employees in Ethiopia, 80% are women, 46% have never had sustainable employment, and 100% are being empowered. So Parker Clay is also a certified B Corp, so is CAUSEBOX as an FYI. And then it says, from the beginning of Parker Clay, our dream was of a future where the same value to customers existed while also providing a deep and lasting value to our workers, making visible the invisible threads which bring us together. So you can find out more information, and actually they're having a great sale themselves at parkerclay.com. So this is what it looks like. So I did decide to go with the dark brown color. I think there were 4 colors, so I'll put up on the screen what the options are, and then some information about the pricing and that sort of thing. I think in the CAUSEBOX market, I think it's generally like $128, I think maybe. I'm trying to remember, it's either 128 or 178. The number is kind of like this. So yeah, I think it's a great tote for that price. But again, I personally didn't really need one. It was more of a want. So it was great to get this as a referral. So thank you again if you did click through my link on the video. I think there were a couple of you who did that, so that's great. Thank you so much. The leather feels very nice and substantial and high quality. And then also this is the stitching here. So like the stitching looks very nice. It doesn't look like there's any loose stitches or anything like that. It does have the little emblem here, which is quite nice because it's very subtle. And then I'm going to try to get this into focus for you. So this is what the handle sort of stitching looks like. It's a nice quality, like very nice feeling metal grommet. I don't know if that's the actual technical term. And then the stitching looks really nice as well. And then here is what the handle stitching looks like as well. And it's very dense. Like it's not just folded over. I can feel like there's actually something in there. And then this is what the stitching looks like. So it's quite nice. On the inside there is a little ring here, so you can probably put your keys or something in here just so you don't lose them. And then also there is a pocket. So there is a pocket up here as well. So this one is here. Actually, that's not a pocket. So then there is a little pocket sewn in here, or not sewn in here, attached in here. It does have a zipper. It's a very nice heavy zipper. It's metal, which I like to see. And then you can put your unmentionables and things you want to keep safe in there. And then in here is also some 2 little slots here. There's a larger one here, probably about passport size. I mean, I would never recommend putting your passport in there. And then this is a nice, more like half the size sort of pocket here as well, which you probably could put like chapstick in or pens or something, I don't know. But it does not have a zipper, so if you're worried about potentially having people put their hands in and grabbing some of your things, you probably will still have to worry about that. But let me see if I can show you. So it is quite wide, so maybe 4 inches wide, and then also it goes all the way around here. It looks pretty expandable. So I mean, when I'm looking at this, I think it could definitely fit my computer and probably like everything that I would need if I were to go out and try to do something. It might also be a great weekend bag, if I'm being honest, except for my weekend bags, I would rather it have a zipper. So I did pull out some office supplies to show you, to try to show you how large it is. So I don't know if that'll be helpful, but here I have 2 2021 planners that I purchased. They're like $3 right now at Home Goods. So I'll throw those in here. I also have 2 3-ring binders. I think those are like 1.5 inch binders. I'm not entirely sure. So those fit in here absolutely no problem. Let's see, what else can I find? So I have this headphone box here, but I can't figure out how to get the lid out, so I'll have to put it in here. Let me take out the contents so they don't fall around in the box, in the bottom of the bag. So this is like maybe 3 inches. Let me throw that in there. So this is what it looks like when it's kind of fuller. And let's see, what else do I have? I have a Mastering Norwegian book here, so let me throw that in here as well. And let's see what else. Oh, I have a camera, so this is like my normal blogging camera. So this is a Sony Alpha 5100, so just so you can see what that is. So I'll throw that in here as well. So this is what it looks like here with all of that stuff in it. It looks pretty good actually, and it feels like it's not gonna fall apart when I carry it. So that's great as well. So I will probably condition the leather and put some waterproofing spray on it before I do take it out. That's just because of the current climate that I'm living in. So it's probably going to snow pretty soon. So if I do want to take this out of the house, even though I'm not going anywhere, I probably would just want to waterproof it first. But I am very pleased with this, and it does look like it doesn't have any like nicks or anything on it. So this was a very short video today, but I just wanted to show you it's something that I was excited about. And then also leave a comment below if you want me to do the spoilers all at one time or as they're released. And then also let me know if you have any recommendations for the add-on market, because this will only be my second one, and I'm kind of tempted by a lot of things last time because they're very usable sort of items for me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.